Hey y'all, take a quick trip with me as I go up to Victorville, California. This is me getting ready. One of the local residents has a wine and cheese tasting event that I was going to go to support. Had to get some gas real quick because, I'm always on E for some reason. And this is kind of like a ritual, but a lot of times when I take this trip, I got to get a caramel frappe from McDonald's. So this is me getting my little frappe, so I have some sugar and energy for this long ride. As you can see, I had to speed it up. For me, it could be a ride anywhere from 45 minutes to an hour and a half. So where I had to go actually was Apple Valley. So it's usually like an hour and 20 minutes for me to get there from where I live at, which is all good. But the problem here was there was a major accident, so I actually unfortunately missed the event. Moving forward, I will be going to all of her events because I feel so guilty that I missed the event. It was a huge networking opportunity, a chance to connect with the community and all of that. Don't worry, you're not going to watch this for too long, but I wanted you guys to get an idea of what my drives look like from my house to Victorville or the high desert area. But I like the ride. It's a cool ride. I'm used to driving for this long anyway. Back in Philly, I used to visit my parents and they lived outside of Philly, so it was the same distance, about 45 minutes to an hour ride. Pretty cool ride. But yeah, so anyway, this is me driving. I am not driving that fast. I could actually go up to 90 miles an hour, but that's between me and you. But anyways, the beautiful sunset. But I intentionally recorded this so you guys can see how long my drive is. It's not like crazy long because I don't think 45 minutes is a really long ride, but it's a comfortable little ride. But anyway, we're approaching the end. I wanted to skip over the part where there was a huge accident, so I wound up turning back around. And then I was like, oh snap, while I'm up here, might as well get something to eat. So I went to the Mediterranean spot that two amazing friends of mine took me to, I think last week. So I'm like, you know what, I might as well check them out, again. So yeah, I'm wrapping this up, you guys. I didn't make the event. It was pretty sucky. I'm really sorry I missed it, especially driving all that way. But I got a chance to go to Aladdin, so that was pretty cool. And this is pretty much it. I forgot to record my food, but I did take a picture of it, so you guys will see that at the end. So here is my tea. I asked for hot tea and honey, so I never had tea given to me like that, but that was cool. Here was their menu. Their menu was amazing. I always get the same thing. I got like a gyro platter or whatever. I miss Greek food, but yeah, and I don't know why I'm reading the menu backwards. But that's the menu in case you guys are interested in going to Aladdin in Victorville. I encourage you to check it out. Please don't judge me, judge your mother, because I do not know why I'm reading this thing backwards. But I was trying to show y'all what they had. Oh yeah, and this is my food at the end. So hopefully you guys will check them out. In the meantime, I look forward to seeing you guys doing more of these videos. This is my very first video voiceover, but there's more to come, and I will talk to y'all later. Have a good one.